I want to live in a world where community and culture is synonymous with contribution. I want to live in a world where progression is synonymous with obsession and passion, and the word perfect is slanderous and frowned upon. A world where you are free to create whatever future you want in a realistic way. A world where you're free to utilize your mind in a way that eliminates all other obstacles to your true potential, to the person you were meant to become. A world where your passion is your life and your life is truly yours. A place where your dreams flourish in the vast freedom of financial security. A place where job security was just an outdated industrial age idea created by people who wanted your time for their money. Because right now, people want your contribution, your hard work, your energy for their personal gain, for the fulfillment of their dreams. I want to live in a place that's free of corporate constraints. I want to live in a world where your personal growth is your livelihood. Your success is creating a better world for our children. Your purpose is communal. Your passion is your wealth, and I am not alone. I am Vipassana.